Hello, welcome, and bienvenido. Today we're going to talk about how to make a desk for under $150. Super great for quarantine. A dime among gems. You're going to take this Gerton tabletop desk, comes unfinished from IKEA, and you're going to sand it, preferably with something higher than 400 grit, which is as high as I went. Maybe I'd recommend going up to 600-800, something to get it real smooth. I did a lot of coats with a lot of sanding in between, some wet sanding as well. You're going to throw that Signum cable organizer underneath. It's going to be great. Organize everything real nice. I got a couple of different Razer peripherals in there, keyboard and mouse. I have Philips Hue backlighting along the edge. Desk is about 1.5 inches, 2 inches from the wall. Provides a nice mood lighting. That's a cute kitty. The plant was $2.99. Pothos, Brazil. Would recommend. Star Wars background, Star Wars desk mat, of course, as always. And really, this is just one of the better options you can have for under $150. I would recommend. It's worked out great. Get yourself a nice cup of tea and enjoy.